Hello everyone, friends and family of Lara All in All. Today we have a very important episode we want to talk about. We're talking about losing the belly fat. I think that is what we want to dwell on so much for us to help. We've already talked about what we drink, and now we're talking about the food that we are going to eat for belly fat. Okay, belly fat is also known as the vascular fat, and it's harmful fat than fat on the other parts of the body. Belly fat is result of the fatty food and weight gaining food that one eats in daily to day life. Including simple food habits and following the tips mentioned above can help reduce stomach fat. It can also avoid the deposit of excess fat on the belly or stomach. I'm going to be putting some description up there. The sizes of belly fat, some are big, over big, some are moderate, but anyhow whether moderate or whether small, but belly fat is belly fat. We are going to talk about it. We have a lot of it. We have the gluttony belly. Okay, it's only during 8 hours, the gluten belly. You have the fat one there like that. So it's very, very important for us to know what we are doing. The stressed belly, you can know if the tummy is stressed on this very diagram I'm going to be showing. The alcohol belly, you can see this one is alcohol belly, is there. The mommy belly that gave birth to children, you will still see the fat of it. You can see the hormonal belly is also there. So I'm going to be bringing the description on it for us to know what to do. But having said that, I'm just digressing a little bit to know the food. Food such as whole grain, for example, a belly and oat work well while following a belly fat diet. Fruit as well, strawberries, the blueberries, and raspberries, and are healthy in losing belly fat as well without gaining weight. Drinks as apple cider, we've said it before, it's very good. So other food that we are going to be eating to lose belly fat is this: include avocados and broccoli in your daily diet. Many people don't know how to eat green food. They don't know how to eat vegetables. They just go with their food with fatty and just eat, go away, no exercise, nothing, and they just keep going. And these green veggies are perfect to cut down fat in the body. We have salmon inclusion, okay, and cutting down heavy meat can work wonders on human body. Chili pepper, bell peppers, black peppers are also great option to lose stomach fat. The chili peppers we have also bell peppers, the yellow, the green, any colors. Also we have include green, the Greek yogurt, e.g. we have the white, the asparagus, we have the green beans, and part of the regular diet meal. There are many more ways to include recipes and cut down belly fat in what we eat. Therefore, I'm going to share some simple smoothies recipes including diet and see the result, and you will come and thank me later. Okay, so you are going to thank me later when you follow this tip. Follow this tip for you to know how to lose belly fat, your weight, and just in this summer you will look good and you are just aspiring to get there. And people will ask you, wow, what are the things that you do that make you to lose tummy fat? That you will thank me later. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. So excited again. See you in our next episode. God bless you. Bye-bye.